What is happening? So I picked up this A1 sweet chili garlic sauce. Now I've seen this in the grocery stores for a while and been intrigued by it, but like at $4 or $5 a bottle, it just, never impulsed me enough to grab it. But then I was in a Ollie's discount store, which if you don't have one of these around you, they're totally awesome. Big like closeout discount store, kind of like what Big Lots used to be before they became like way too corporate. And for $1.69, I even think that's kind of better than the normal price that you see. So for $1.69, heck yeah, I totally grabbed it. So let's shake this baby up and give it a try. A1, kind of like my third favorite main brand steak sauce. Heinz 57, number one in my opinion, followed by HP sauce, and then I'll go with A1. A1, just a real runny consistency and everything. Ooh, that's good. Oh, yeah. It's really got a good spice. I think A1 to me is just too like soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce type flavor. And it's so runny. I don't know, just normal A1 sauce just doesn't do it for me, but this is really good. I am super happy I picked this up. A little bit of sweetness, a little bit more spice to it. A little bit of heat. So much more flavor than regular A1. Oh yeah, that's damn good. I would even say I'd pay regular price for this after tasting it. But find stuff like this at your discount stores for a cheap price like that. That's just an absolute no-brainer if you're a fan of sauces and condiments, hot sauce, anything of that nature, and you're a foodie type person at all. This is absolutely worth picking up, 100%. I will absolutely give that a thumbs up. I'll even see if I can find a link where you can order it online down below if you can't find it locally, because this is worth trying. But anyway, hit a thumbs up on that video if you don't mind. It's good YouTube karma. Smash that subscribe button and have a wonderful day.